Where's he going?
He went that.
Where's he going?
He's turning. He went that way last time.
Oh, did he? Okay, look. It's interesting how much more confidence he has. Of course, he's a year older than Levi, but
And he usually is
look
scared
how
of.
fast he's going.
He's scared of going high on a swing. And he's not scared of that.
I don't know if you want to be videotaping this. His mother would film me if it flipped.
Yep, he's definitely got that thing pegged.
He does. Check him out. So that thing is not steady, let me tell you.